Hi, this is Stephen Brower from Rock Valley Community College. This is going to be a short part 3 to the part 2 and the part 1, which was the loading of an array and the displaying of the array. And the one thing that I want to do just to kind of mess things up a bit is instead of calling write int, so I'm going to put here write, I'm going to go and put something in that is going to be wrong, which I'll then go and comment out, and I'm going to do a write dec. Okay, let me just run it and we'll just see what goes wrong. Initially, things don't seem bad because I got zeros loaded into the array. Okay, so 8, 6, 7, 5, 3, 0, 9. And let me make sure I get a couple negative numbers in here. So -2, -1. Let's just throw 42 in here. -42, and well, we'll just end with 0. Okay. Would you look at that? So remember, for month 9, I entered in -1. And for month, I wasn't looking back, month 8, I entered -2. And you're looking at these numbers and saying, why are those numbers so big? Write dec assumes there's an unsigned number. So it thinks it's 4,294,967,294, the value that's there. We just think we put in -2. And so what happens is, if you have, or if you call the wrong procedure, then you can get results like this happening. So I entered in a negative number, but then on displaying, things are off. So you want to make sure you're consistent, that if the user is entering in a signed D word, then display the signed D word. So you want to do the input with read int, do the output with write int. If you get from the user an unsigned integer using read dec, you want to display using write dec. So you want to make sure you have apples and oranges in terms of your display. So let me pull this out, and I'm going to put here bad. And then I'll take this back out and put it back the way it was. And just make sure my favorite array, 75309. Oh, off screen. Okay, so -3, -4, -42, 2, -1, and now the values are coming out. So the point of all this is read and write consistently. Read dec and write dec should be used together. Read int and write int should be used together. The read int and write int are for signed D words. The read dec and the write dec are for unsigned D words. Okay, good enough.